everybody, it's Christina here at Christina's Crafts. I got a different one for you today. I'm not sure how this one's gonna turn out. So at my camper, I have an oven in my camper, but the handle is not big enough to put my towels on. So I have a bunch of towels like this that I crochet, and I can't, where the handle is and the stove is, it's really tiny, so I can't, there's not enough room to slide this through there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a hanger for my towels that I have at the camper, and it's actually going to go on the fridge. So what I'm going to do is I got one of these plastic wood utensils from Dollar Tree, and I have some of these rub-on transfers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate this, I guess, what would you call it, a fork? I'm not 100% sure, with my rub-on transfers. Okay, so I'm just going to be using kind of bits and pieces of these, so I'm just going to cut some out. And then place them on here. That you can really, I mean, you can put them any way that you want. I'm kind of doing like where I go off a little bit. I don't like completely stay on the fork. So I think oh geez, I just wrecked that one. I think I might have to get something a little bit stronger to rub these on here. Let me see. They're kind of coming up with a little bit of work. Yeah, I kind of screwed that one up, so I'm just going to kind of scrape that a little bit. Little extra bits on there. So I'm just rubbing the transfers on. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to just pick random ones and go pretty much over the whole thing. Okay, so I found what works best is a quarter. So I'm just taking my quarter and I'm rubbing it, and you just keep rubbing until the picture on there kind of fades, and it looks, you can literally see it coming off of the plastic. So I'm just randomly placing leaves on here. Hopefully I don't do too much and get too crazy, but I do tend to do that. So I'm just gonna keep doing this, and I will be right back. Now that I have my design all on there, I am gonna take my Mod Podge and I am going to seal this, because obviously I don't want it to rub off when I'm hanging my towel on there. So I'm just gonna go to Mod Podge on here, maybe even two, just to make sure that it's covered and sealed really good. So I am gonna go ahead and do this whole front part of it. I'm thinking maybe the sides too, and then I will come back. My Mod Podge is all dry. I think it looks pretty cute. I really like that. That green really pops out on that bare wood. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I have to have room for my towel to wrap around there. So I have these tumbling tower blocks, and I'm gonna put one here and one over here. And I'm thinking that should be enough room to kind of slip that through there on the refrigerator. I'm hoping. And then I'll be able to do that. But I thought about putting two of them on there, but I think it's just gonna stick off too far. I don't know that I would like that. But obviously this would be easier. But I also don't want to add weight. So I think I'm gonna try it with just one. And hopefully that works. Or one on each side. Hopefully that works, because once I put that on, I'm going to put my magnets on, and I won't be able to add to it because it'll be stuck. So what I'm going to do is I have my hot glue gun heated up, and then I have my magnets. Now these magnets I did get off Amazon. I bought a whole box of them. And they seem to be a lot smoother than the Dollar Tree ones. The Dollar Tree ones actually kind of scratched up my fridge. So there is a little bit of roundedness to those magnets where these just kind of have like sharp edges and they're just kind of, I don't know. So these did scratch my stainless steel fridge up, just so you know. And I don't know if these are gonna do it. I'm hoping not, but they are, like I said, they're kind of rounded on there. It's hard to say, but excuse me, my fridge at my camper has that bumpy outside. It doesn't have the what do you call it? It doesn't have, it's not like stainless. It has that bumpy texture like the old school fridges. So anyways, I just ordered a whole bunch of magnets off of Amazon because I'm going to be doing some more magnet crafts. But I'll see if I remember. I'll link that in the description for you. Because I think price-wise, it's probably a better price in bulk than what you would get at Dollar Tree. Alright, so I have my E6000 out and my hot glue. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use both of those because I want a really nice hold. So, and I'm going to stick this one over here like that, and then this one is going to go over here. And the E6000 should eventually take hold and it should stick pretty good. So I'm going to stick that in the middle, and then the hot glue, and now this one is going to go this way. Now that I have those on, I'm going to stick my magnets on. Now these magnets have, they go a certain way. Obviously there's, what is it, north and south, or I don't even know. But anyways, I have to make sure that I have them all on right. This is a flat side, and this side actually has a little hole or divot in there. So that is the part that I'm going to stick down on here. So for this, I'm going to use 4 magnets because I'm hanging a towel. So I want to make sure that it's going to hold really good, because this is all going to be just sitting there on my fridge. So I'm going to put 2 magnets on each one of these blocks. And I'm going to use a mixture of E6000 and hot glue. I don't know if you can hear that, but my dog is sitting in the window right now and she is just barking up a storm. So hopefully these magnets work the way I'm thinking they're gonna work. We shall see. All right, my magnets are all on. Oh yeah, I definitely, you know what? I didn't even think of that. The magnets make it stick out even more. Good thing I didn't put the 2 Jenga blocks on. Oh, my brain is just not working tonight. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. I forgot about the height of the magnets too. Okay, so that is all done. There's just, I think, one more thing that I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna take this leftover jute that I have, and I'm just gonna tie like a little handle around here, just for a little extra added effect. It doesn't need it on there, but thought it might be kind of cute. And I might cut this down yet. That might actually be a little big. All right, I'm gonna go hang this on my refrigerator and see how it works. Okay, so this looks absolutely adorable. I went to go put it on my fridge and it slid down, and it won't even hold the towel at all. It barely holds itself up. So I am gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna be adding extra weight to it. I'm gonna try to put 2 more blocks on there with magnets on there, and we'll see what happens. But I don't know, I was so disappointed I put it on there and then it just slid right down my refrigerator. Maybe I'll even, you know what? Maybe I'm just gonna do overkill. And I'll try to put 3 more magnets over here. And maybe I can fit 3 over here. I'm just gonna build it up and hopefully it's gonna stay. Okay guys, so that did not work. It just added extra weight and slid even farther down. So I have one more last thing that I'm gonna try. I did notice if I stuck magnets underneath it, it did hold it up. So I pulled it all apart, took as much glue off of there as I can, and I'm gonna go ahead and try something. So I'm not gonna screw around with the E6000 right now. I'm gonna take some of these popsicle sticks or craft sticks, and I'm gonna hot glue these on here. And then I am going to put, excuse me, my magnets on here. I know I should use the E6000, but then if it doesn't work, then that's just more to tear apart, right? So I'm gonna stick these on here. Without burning myself, hopefully. Otherwise, it won't be a towel holder. It's basically just going to be a decoration then. All right, and then I am going to take these magnets and flip them around. And this is going to be like my little holding system. So it's not going to, I'm not going to attach it to my spoon here. So I'm just gonna cut off a stick about that size. And then I'm gonna set this here. And then these magnets, oh, I guess I'm only gonna have 2. Are gonna go the opposite way because they're gonna get, let me think. These are gonna go up on the fridge like that. So I want these right about there. So then I'm going to hang this on the fridge and then I'm going to put this underneath it to hold it. Although the magnets don't seem to be working together very well, so we'll see what happens. So far, nothing is working. I popped everything off again. I am just gonna, and this might be crazy, I don't know if that's really enough room to have my towel there, but I'm thinking about just putting the magnets right on there. It's just, I think that might stick up a little too far. That's gonna push it probably right off the refrigerator. So I'm thinking maybe I just need a little bit extra hold. So I'm just gonna try this. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna try to disperse these out across the fork. And I'm hoping it's gonna show a little bit, but maybe if I put it more towards the bottom, it won't be so bad. So I'm going to use these little popsicle sticks to kind of bump it out a little bit. Or craft sticks. So I'm using some E6000 and some hot glue. Because I'm really hoping this is going to work. And then I'm going to stick the magnets on here. They might show through a little bit. I'm hoping. I have a black refrigerator, so maybe it won't be so bad. And hopefully it actually stays. If not, like I said, then it won't be a towel bar. It's just going to be a decoration for my refrigerator. And I will see if I can get it to stay. Where is it? I'm throwing in the towel. My magnets must just not be strong enough. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to put these magnets right on here, and then I am going to just hang it on my fridge like a decoration, because it does not matter what I do. It's just not staying. I think my magnets aren't strong enough. So I probably will not link these magnets in the description for you, because they just don't have a lot of holding power. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these magnets, like glue and E6000 and everything else all over my hands. Get these glued on here, and then I think what I'm gonna do is I have a spoon, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do this spoon just like that, and then it'll just be a cute little decoration for the fridge. So yeah, so far this quick little project that I was doing that wasn't supposed to take that long has been nothing but a nightmare. So I'm just gonna stick these right on here and then stick them to the fridge, and it should stay really good then. Okay, so I have this many magnets on it, and it sticks just fine on the fridge, just like this. So I am gonna go ahead and I am gonna do the same thing to my spoon, because it'll be a cute little matching set for the refrigerator. Okay, so I got my spoon out, and I'm just grabbing some more images off of here and putting them on my project. So just using my quarter, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat of Mod Podge on here. I am so disappointed. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm so disappointed that this didn't work out for a towel holder. I bet if I had better magnets, maybe stronger magnets, it would have worked, but you don't even know. It's like so disappointed. Either way, it's going to be a cute little decoration for the refrigerator, so I guess it kind of all works out in the end, just not what I was hoping for. Okay, my spoon is all done, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my magnets on there. I'm not going to be able to put a magnet on here unless I try to prop it up, because it's curved at the top there. So I am just going to go ahead and put them starting here and putting a few going down the handle. And I'm thinking it should be good enough to hold it. But it did turn out pretty cool. I'm still disappointed, but I think they're gonna look really cute on the refrigerator. And with that Mod Podge on there, it gives that really like kind of shiny, professional, like finished look. So that's pretty cool. So, but I do have to say though, I am kind of disappointed with these magnets. I thought they were gonna be a little bit stronger than that. And hopefully that'll be good. I'm gonna go test this one out real quick. Okay, well, that's that. They're all finished. Yes, it sticks very well with those magnets on there. So that is it. I don't know. I think they turned out really cute. I'm just super disappointed, obviously, because I was trying to make a towel holder, but I think these are going to be really cute on the refrigerator. So I just want to say thanks for suffering through this one with me. It was not what I was expecting. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you somewhat enjoyed this and maybe got some inspiration. I don't know. Anyways, I would love it if you subscribe and share the video, like it, you know, all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye.